Hi, I'm Justin Cook, the Environmental Manager. Welcome to Yellowstone General Stores and GreenPath TV. We are at Old Faithful General Store, Yellowstone General Stores and Delaware North Companies. I'm here to talk about the GreenPath program. At this facility and all our facilities, we have a very solid recycling program where we recycle just about any kind of material you can name: papers, plastics, aluminum. One really neat program we have at Yellowstone General Stores is our composting program. We utilize corn-based products for our fountain areas that are including our cups, our forks, our knives, our plates. All those items are compostable 100%. We are able to take all those items, put them in the garbage, take that garbage right to our composting facility. Those items are separated from the garbage and go into a really neat composting process. Comes out as organic material that is then brought back into the park and used for a lot of our reconstruction, remodel projects and road work to bring nutrients that were actually produced in the park back into the park. So a really neat cyclical process that we go through. Yellowstone General Stores, our recycling program, is a big part of our GreenPath program. We're very proud of it. We recycle around 137 tons of material per year. And what we do is we calculate our diversion rate, how much material we divert out of the landfill and into other uses, including composting and that sort. And our diversion rate is around 67%, we estimate, of all material diverted out of our landfill into other uses. Very neat program. So with that, let's go interview some other associates and see what's going on in Yellowstone.
My name is Jim Evanoff. I'm the Environmental Protection Specialist from Yellowstone National Park. And it has been a real pleasure to work with Delaware North and their GreenPath program. It's a rare occurrence here in Yellowstone where we have all of our concessionaires working cooperatively with the National Park Service to create one of the more successful environmental programs in the United States. GreenPath has been instrumental in promoting a myriad of programs in the park, most notably alternative fuels, recycling, green procurement, and have been a model for the way concessions operations should work in a national park. We have worked collectively on a very aggressive inventory of our greenhouse gas emissions here in Yellowstone, and GreenPath has been instrumental in helping develop all that raw data that we are now using to base a lot of our environmental initiatives on.
Hi. Pete Donow, I'm Director of Operations for Yellowstone General Stores in Yellowstone National Park. GreenPath obviously is an important aspect in our business in Yellowstone. It provides us a catalyst for innovative and creative solutions to environmental concerns. It's not so much anymore that GreenPath is taken into account on my daily decision making, because it really has truly permeated our culture and my personal beliefs, and so it just becomes a part of me now when I make my decisions. It has served us well, and we hope that it will serve us as well in the future.